Standard morning stuff, just reading the news, seeing what's going on. What's up, Jake? Yeah, got a bunch. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. I'll send it regardless. Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Bye. There's Jake. Yeah, I don't know why it asked you for a passcode. All right. One sec. Can't really hear you, Jake. One sec. Okay. Let's get the sound off. All right, good morning, everybody that's with us. All right, back to what we were doing before. Just going over the news right now. Then Jake and I will go.
If it freezes.
Yeah, let me know.
So it did have a passcode.
No, it doesn't have a passcode. It just, I just put it up there if needed. Other people got on here without a passcode. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that was weird. Okay. Finally, let's start. Okay, Walmart, Target, and 2 other retail stocks are poised to prosper change. Okay, pretty much low, low prices.
Just carry on, because
Is it frozen? I think it's just frozen for you. Can you guys let me know if the screen's frozen for anybody else when I share? Honestly, Jake, I think it's just you, buddy.
No, it says David Dotan is screen sharing.
I know, but other people can see it.
Really? No, okay. Don't know what's wrong with mine
Maybe restart your computer.
Yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll join back on.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Wait, Senzo says that he can't see.
He also can't?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, then maybe it's me. Okay, everybody. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a complete restart. I'm gonna do a computer restart and send a brand new link. Okay.
I'll do the same with mine.
Yeah, because there's been some issues today. All right. We'll be right back. Restarting this computer. Close everything down. Is there any? First things first, check if there's any updates. It's up to date. We're gonna restart the computer. All right. Alright, welcome back everybody. Sorry about that. Welcome back. Ed, how you doing? How's your day going? So, let me know if the screen share stops this time again. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, looking a bit strong though to the upside. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. It would make sense to look for a double top, but the US is gaining strength. It's gaining strength. Yeah. No, yeah, the fundamentals are moving. Yeah. Still waking up a little bit. Sounds good. I'm going to work on what we spoke about yesterday as well. The stuff I need from you on the daily, just updates. Yeah. Yes, you will. You'll get an email today. Eddie asked a question. Are you going to get an email to be invited to the members only Telegram channel? Yes. Today will be the day. So that email should be sent out pretty soon here. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited to get that going as well. That Telegram channel, to be honest with you, create communication between the team and all that. Okay. Crazy consolidation here. Look at that.
Let us know, guys. Can you see David's screen?
No, hey. Fuck.
Just give it a few minutes, because it did do that Thursday, but it did it for about a minute, and then it caught up to itself. So
okay, so give it if still in.
Just plow through.
Yeah, if still in a couple minutes you cannot see, let me know.
Just share screen, just do the news and stuff, and then if it's still like that, I'll let you know.
Just know, team, that if that happens during the live session, don't panic, because when the recording is going on, it's recording the shared screen, because it's recording what I see. But I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. I just did the update.
I don't know what it. Have a look at the ones that. Yeah, I was looking at that. There we go. It's talked to itself now. It's come on.
It has? Okay.
Yep, it's come back.
Okay, so it's just about giving it a couple seconds. Okay.
Yeah. Euro Japanese yen looks good.
Euro JPY.
Yeah, the euro's weak though.
Yeah, Euro's too weak. That's a pretty strong exhaustion.
Yeah, that's.
We would need double confirmation to the upside.
That's unfortunate. Euro being weak as well.
Yeah.
I was also looking at CAD Japanese yen.
Clearly, our entry needs to be adjusted. My sell will be adjusted. The Euro is just. Anyways, we need to go through the news. I need to read up on what's going on.
Well, the euro.
Yeah.
Got a speech on the euro this morning.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we have president's speech and our president's speech in about an hour.
Yeah. Pretty much. Lower time frame potential entry to the upside, but we want it to break previous. We'll see.
Oh, yeah.
Aussie CAD. We'll see how that does right now. Keep that on the list for potential lower time frame entry.
It's strong again. New Zealand dollar. It's New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, and pound.
Also today, to the team, we should be getting access at about 3 p.m. my time to the new numbers. And if you saw on the platform, we'll do an update here. Let's see who's on, how many people are on with us. Send Jake, Eddie, JJ, George sends it. We'll do an update shortly, but if you look at the platform, you'll see a couple new updates there, and we'll have access to the numbers 3 p.m. today from the brokers.
Yeah, it's just got you can tell the minute, but that'll be cool.
Let's see if it takes a minute again to find this screen.
No, it's fine.
Look at that. You have first impulse at contact, right? First contact. And then boom. Right to the downside. again, the USD is just gaining strength, right? I think, but also this is a significant area of sensitivity. Price is also, there's just a battle between buyers and sellers right now.
Yeah, I would just exactly like it said there. I would just want it to clear that area and see.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be in here right now. Yeah.
Yeah, I said the same about Great British Pound.
Yeah. We could see even buy pressure push this up here, like to close above towards the end of the day. We'll see. We'll see how this pin closes here. You can see this pin.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like a squeeze at the minute.
Yeah. Just failed to break multiple times. Because direction is unclear. Fundamental direction right now is unclear.
Yeah, I put them lines in just to keep like that would complete what I would be looking for.
Yeah. Yeah. Pretty big difference here.
Yeah, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, probably. I said that it would probably see back now or at its weekly.
Yeah, probably weekly based on how strong it went to its mid range.
Yes.
USD is gaining strength. It looks like it's gonna break back above. Then playing out, we have price action confirmation. We're now waiting for entry confirmation. USD yen. Well, likely price action confirmation.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
I could see the USD be stronger than the yen for quite some time. I mean, there's nothing really saying that the yen's going to be super strong, right? Yeah.
Analysis on risk, I said somebody asked for it. I said, I don't really trade it, but I'll do an analysis. And I said after that. So,
on USD yen. How did it go, by the way, today? How many of you were there for Jake's first live session? Nice. Awesome, buddy.
Well, it doesn't matter if I enjoy it. If anyone's on it, if anyone's here who was on there earlier, let me know what you thought.
Exactly.
I tried to make it as educational. I tried to make it interactive. So, yeah.
Okay.
cheers, guys. Appreciate it.
Look at how gross that is.
Which one? US dollar Swift.
The lower time frame, yeah. Fuck. That's why you wait for exhaustion, eh? That is not pretty at all.
Fundamentals switch so easy.
Yeah, so fast right now. Fundamentals are moving.
Like, probably what, like a year ago, you could probably get away with probably looking at fundamentals like once a day. Now you have to look every single hour.
Yeah, you need to. You need to.
That's why, like, if like, say the US dollars have like a +1 and the CAD's at like a -0.5,
Yeah.
not strong enough, it can just switch like that.
Why is the yen showing strength right now? I mean, I don't understand it. I gotta do some research on that. Let's lower this music.
That's when I've got as we've got a higher time frame analysis on that one, haven't you?
Just looking really ugly because fundamentals are shifting. You see, push, failure of price action, entry confirmation, right back to the downside. And now
it looks as though
it looks like regaining buy pressure.
if fundamentals were to the downside, that would be ideal, but they're not.
Yeah.
So a push has to become a push and then exhaust. You seem to be getting exhaustions, and exhaustions become a push, and then fundamentals change again, and then we're waiting for another push.
Yeah.
It's mental.
Okay, well, pound is clearly seeing just sell pressure from its monthly zone, although USD has some strength here.
I wouldn't even be interested until it breaks, to be honest.
Me neither, yeah.
Not even in the slightest. I mean, yeah.
See, like, look, what I'm noticing more and more is that after the push is complete, so let me just bring this up for a sec.
Yeah.
Let me open this up. Okay, so what I'm finding more and more is that after the push to the upside, right, we have exhaustion, right? So where the push completes, there's exhaustion. Previous high is really strong these days. Price is having a hard time breaking previous high on a continuational push because fundamentals are so wonky. Everybody's going in for quick in, quick outs. More take profits here, more SLs are here. There's more sensitivity at previous high. So what we're going to start to see is more and more we're going to have to wait and break previous high to the upside before we enter, which will be interesting.
That sounds good to me. You wouldn't even consider entering until it did, anyway. So
Yen has definitely got some strength.
Maybe if it came down to the lower yellow zone, I'd buy. But again, it's a bit too risky for my liking.
Well, if we had enough of a push right here, exhaustion with price action confirmation, clearly fundamentals would still be to the upside right now in the short term, but we don't have that. Let's go Kiwi USD.
I can see us having a lot of late trades.
Excuse me, I'm yawning. Whoa.
How many hours sleep did you get?
Not much. Really not much. Push, minor exhaustion, continuation. Kiwi's gaining.
New Zealand is very strong to me.
I mean, you can say you got some sort of fucking whatever that expansion is, but when we look at our zones, it looks pretty wonky to me. Pretty much this is happening due to fundamentals just shifting. Doesn't look too sexy to me, to be honest with you. Right now, Aussie CAD is looking the best for me.
Which one?
The lower time frame entry.
On the Australian dollar CAD.
Yeah, potential lower time frame entry to previous high here. If price is able to break its next zone.
Yeah. I mean, it hasn't really broke the last previous.
Yeah, but if it does, it means fundamentals will have given it a push.
Yeah, sounds good to me. I've got Australian dollar CAD on mine as a 50-50 chance to sell. That's on my watch list.
Yeah. Okay, let's check out what Barron's is saying.
What's that Merck Straps COVID vaccine on the top left?
What?
Merck Straps COVID-19 vaccine program.
I don't. They all do that. It's all garbage. Everybody that's just trying to get a part of the game.
Okay. You're on Baron, you know. I'll go on to.
Obviously, Apple should have built the car a long time ago. They should have been trying to build the car a long time ago.
You really think that's wise?
Yeah, I do think that's wise. I think Apple has the money, the infrastructure to do it. They have the brand to do it. They can also, Apple's, if they can make it, everybody's got an iPhone, MacBook. If they can connect it somehow to make it, I think they should have done that a long time ago.
Yeah. I mean, fair play. Yeah. I mean, when I first saw that, I was like, oh no, they're going to try and do a car like, just stick to what you know kind of thing. But then again, Apple so I'm happy.
Apple Car, like that's the thing though is the car probably gonna be like 100 grand.
And a Tesla will be like, what, like 30?
Yeah, they're gonna come out and try to be extremely expensive where everybody else is becoming cheaper. George is asking, David, what stocks do you think are worth buying for long-term holds? I'm gonna come out with a list of that. So the two main ones I would say, and it also kind of depends on which country that you're buying from, but I would say the two main ones right now are I'd buy Amazon, I'd buy Tesla, okay, and the reasons why is this: Tesla's got at least a couple years advantage on everybody else. They went through all the curves, the learning curves. They went through all the hurdles. Everybody else that's now coming out with their electric vehicles, they're gonna go through that. Okay, so Tesla, in my opinion, has like a 2 year advantage before everybody starts to catch up and go through their own learning curves. I do like Elon Musk. It's hard to bet against him. I do like what Tesla is doing. I just like the leader. I always look at the leader and I like Musk. It's hard to bet against someone like that. Also, Amazon. Okay, Amazon is cutting out the middleman. Okay, FedEx, UPS is all that stuff. They're building their own. They have their own planes now. They're shipping their own products. Or even going to take some business from others. For example, when their planes are flying less than capacity, they're going to also start taking other shipments. Okay, they're going to get into the healthcare game as well. All right, you're also still talking about percentage of the world, right, that is using internet. We're talking about a very small percentage of the world still. Internet's going to become widely available to remote areas as well. Internet's going to become faster in areas where they have it that maybe necessarily is not good enough to make online purchases. Okay, and also, we're talking about online shopping is a relatively new thing. For me, I've been doing it for quite some time now, but for many others, they're just getting into it. Okay, I think only 11% of people who actually shop consistently for products are only doing it online. Those numbers will do more. Those percentages will increase, I should say. If for long-term holds, the best two companies right now, I'd say, is Tesla and Amazon. Yeah. Just you can't go wrong with those. You can't go wrong.
Definitely. And they've got a proven history as well going on.
Yeah. But I'll come out with a better list, George. I'll come out with the actual list. Show you guys what I'm in. But mostly my stocks are in, majority of my money's in Tesla and Amazon. I've just been pumping money into both those companies for quite some time.
Yeah, like you don't need a lot of stocks, do you? You literally just need about 2 or 3, and just keep compounding them.
Yeah, just find the best companies that are run by the best people and just keep investing in them. As long as it's not outrageously overpriced, you're going to be okay. You know what I mean? For for a long-term hold, you're not worried about, if the stock price is going to be up 1% tomorrow, down, 0.5% the next day. You're looking at what the company is doing overall. What is their future plans? What are they working on? What is really their mission, right? So a company that focuses on their quarterly results is probably not a company you want to invest in the long term, right? A company that focuses on essentially their operations. Because believe me, Bezos and Musk, they're past that point where they care what investors think every quarter. Musk had no belief in him and proved everybody wrong. Okay, they don't care about quarterly results. They care about the overall mission, right? The overall long-term mission. That's what I love about it. I don't know. George is asking about Apple. Okay, so I don't think they're a bad investment. I think they will go up. I think as you know, I think like for example, I can't go without my MacBook and my iPhone. You know what I mean? I just like the way Apple runs. I think their products are expensive, but they're good. Okay, but the thing is with Apple that scares me is Tim Cook, their leader, right? It is he lacks innovation. That's the problem. And because of that lack of innovation, I don't know what the long term just before, like here's the thing, okay? I'm just trying to think if I'm wrong in my own head. Like, what did Tim Cook do? Okay, he came into Apple. Steve Jobs did majority of the lifting. He came into Apple and he created the AirPod ones and the AirPods 2. The MacBooks still don't have touchscreen. The MacBooks don't have a crazy processor or anything like that. The MacBooks just have good usability, right? It's nice to use. There's not that many issues with them. Okay, I don't know. Apple to me lacks innovation. Apple to me lacks. I don't know. Just they're making some moves that are starting to piss people off, right? Like for example, the new iPhones. They don't come with a charger. You have to pay for that charger on the side. There's certain type of things going on right now that Apple is doing that I do not like. I'm not a big fan of Tim Cook. I don't think I think he's a shareholder pleaser, okay, and which isn't a bad thing, but at the same time, I don't know. I want to see more innovation with Apple, right? Like we just talked about, he should have been in the car game. They should have had their own car. Hopefully they've already started that process. Why is also the audio game? Think about that. Like Siri, right? Apple has Siri, which is garbage, right? Amazon's now got Alexa and this and that. Like Apple should have led the voice game. Apple's just now coming out with their own headphones. Just now. I don't know. Innovation with Apple is very slow in my opinion. Okay? Just letting you know. Okay. Yeah, cinemas. The Bond movie was delayed again. Okay. Third time. Bad news for cinemas.
Good news for Netflix. Which, David, the amount of people that sit at home all day watching Netflix is actually quite scary.
A lot. Sahal, yeah. Hey Chris, how are you? Sahal, I have seen that just today, this morning actually. That's funny. It looks pretty insane, hey? How's your day going, Chris?
What's the problem, Chris? Your trade account with LCQ being downgraded.
Why is that?
I've never heard of that. Oh yeah, my trading account has done that, and it says that you have to be a professional trader in order to do it, and you have to have all these qualifications and stuff. Yeah,
Really?
so mine's kind of done it too, but I wasn't really interested in Bitcoin either. But don't you short Bitcoin? Alright.
Yeah, didn't you make 10K off Bitcoin last week?
Whoa, so you can't add any more positions, or have they just completely closed that?
They must have closed your position, right, and gave you the cash. They didn't.
No way. That's
Okay, well, Chris, we keep rocking on FX, buddy.
Yeah, that's it.
Keep rocking on FX. It sucks, I hear you.
So what's these new rule then? You can't trade Bitcoin.
Yeah. And you know what? That regulation, Chris, will spread around as well.
You've got quite a few traders in the UK. Where are you from, Chris? London, nice. I used to go to London a lot before COVID.
That sucks, Chris. Sorry to hear that, buddy.
With IG, what mine says is, as a retail client, you can hold any existing cryptocurrency positions until you're ready to close them, but you won't be able to open new trades. If you'd like to keep trading cryptocurrencies, find out how professional trading works. So I don't know what that means. I think that with a professional account, you pay. Let's have a look. Unlock our pro services. Do you have financial portfolio exceeding 500k. Have you worked in the financial sector, professional position?
Yeah, they want you to hold 500,000 euro. They want to make more commissions off your trades. Yeah.
I was just thinking if it was just like a simple process to open a pro account, but it's obviously not.
It makes more sense for the broker to have a few large clients than a bunch of small ones. They don't want to deal it because there's also customer service involved and all that stuff. So at the end, they'd rather have a few big ones.
Yeah, just trading Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what.
Hey, this is Andrew Left at Citron.
Take a look at New Zealand dollar yen. That'll potentially interesting for
Hi, everybody.
continuation on.
Ed, Senzo, Sahal, Nick, Kai, George, JJ, Chris, Jake. Chris, you're up there. You're up there twice, unless we have two Chris K's.
Oh yeah, David. What were you up to yesterday? Was there a rush, bro?
Oh yeah, I was in a big rush yesterday. I had a lot. I
I thought the wife was shouting you or something.
no. I had to go to hand over the keys to the new tenant. I rented out my one of my apartments yesterday.
Cool.
It's it was a little bit of annoying this month. Just there's a lot because of COVID. There's a lot of inventory downtown. So I'm literally renting. I'm renting it for $1,000 a month less than I was last year.
So is that because one's empty or?
Yeah, previous tenant moved out. So finding someone new is a little bit more difficult this year than it was last year.
Yeah.
Well, a lot more difficult. Like for example, last year, the years before, I would usually do like 1 or 2 showings, and then that's it. The apartment would be rented. This year I did something like 15 or so. Just a few days of just like meeting new people, like showing them the apartment because there's so much inventory downtown. It's insane. Because of COVID, nobody needs to work. Everybody's working from home, right? So nobody. Demand is low, supply is high.
Yeah, so
fuck, anything looking good is like is gone because of the fundamental shift.
Yeah, I think I've only got like 2, which are potentials.
What are your
All the
2?
rest come pretty much invalid. Well, which ones are the 2?
Which ones are your 2?
CAD, Japanese yen, and US dollar, JPY. Probably looking for a reindex in there for the bottom.
Yeah, sorry, USG JPY as well. Yeah, that's right.
I don't know what that close is going to be like on the 4-hour though. That might be.
Yeah, if the 4H close is a pin, then then we're definitely not in. But there is a possibility that buy pressure may push price back up quick.
Yeah, we've got 20 minutes, so.
Yeah.
And then the potential ones are Australian dollar, US dollar. We know that it needs to break. Australian dollar CAD, obviously, again, that needs to break.
Excuse me, God.
What about New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen?
I don't trade that.
Don't.
Yeah. Less and less. Let's see here.
Continuational to.
Just want to make sure my zones are correctly placed. It's been a little while since I've been on it.
The only reason why I looked is because Japanese yen is weak and New Zealand dollar strong.
Yeah, that could be a good play actually. What is the spread on Orlando?
And I'm looking for it to break. And then.
Double confirmation. Pretty strong exhaustion.
Yeah, so just take it to the 4H and 1H. I'll show you what I'm essentially looking for. So 4H probably now, it's beginning exhaustion. Probably find buy pressure at last recent high.
Here you mean? I don't know.
Kind of about there. Or
I don't think so. I think we're coming back for an exhaustion. I don't think it will. I think he'll make its way back down before it moves back to the upside.
well, if it does, then that's better for us.
Yeah. But I do agree with you fundamentally on this one. Agree with you, but for sure on that one.
Yeah, but someone
Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Because they'll find, excuse me, they'll find sell pressure. These are the levels. So I think we'll find buy pressure back here. Hopefully. I'd rather not have it break out to the upside just yet.
We want that full and complete exhaustion.
Yeah. That is correct.
Yeah, there's not many. In fact, what I've just noticed is that all the ones I've got are against the Japanese yen. CAD, JPY.
Yeah, because you're betting on the weakness of the yen. That's great. Yeah.
$1 JPY. Those are just the ones that look good at the moment.
Interesting. FXG Live starting in 15 minutes. All these healthcare stocks, right? That's pretty much
Craze.
that's interesting. Huh.
What's the Pfizer stock like?
Dun, 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 dun. Awesome, Nick. Love that you love it, buddy. We love having you here, bro.
Chris, I'm based in Sheffield. So how I'll reply to your email now, bear with me. But yeah, I can do anytime tonight somehow, so cool. We'll just arrange a time for it. 1 second.
Looks like it's closing with a pin.
$1 yen.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's just ugly though. Still, like it's still even USD yen right now. Like on the monthly time frame, it's not even.
Yeah.
It's not even like we're seeing buy pressure at a monthly zone. You know what I mean, or a zone. I mean,
Yeah, it's not best.
there's a ton of sell pressure up top too. Yeah. I don't know. The more I look at this, the less I like it. It's crazy. All the
fundamental shift isn't doing us any good, is it?
Mm-hmm. No, it's not doing us bad. We're just not having any entries right now.
Yeah, it is, Chris. Definitely.
That's right. Chris, how long have you been trading for?
Yeah, it's definitely been on the 4 hour now.
Okay.
I don't know, 6 years. Nice, man.
So you know your stuff. 6 years. 6 years is 6 years. You do anything for 6 years, you'll get relatively good at it. Love it. Love it. Okay, everybody, just gonna fill up my coffee. We got 5 minutes till 5-6 minutes till the live session starts. So I'll put the music back on and see you guys shortly. Yeah.
fast then, Chris. Work with it. I hated it for the first 2 years. After that, oh wow, everyone knows what that was. I've never done that, but imagine. I've actually never blown up amp, to be honest. Always trick. I've never blown up an amp. I've always been it's easy, but it's not. I mean, you wouldn't even touch real money. No, that's like what's the call?
Alrighty.
Yeah, same before. Let's not tell him that, shall we?
Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it.
Oh no, sorry. What's IML? Yeah, Chris. I'll respond to your email again in a second.
All right. A couple minutes after the hour. Thank you all for joining. Of course, you're welcome, buddy. We're all going to be trading a lower time frame account now. We started with opened up a fresh new $10,000 account so that we all hit these lower time frame trades. All right, and we take it step by step. We're gonna get rolling here. Just one sec. Okay. Morning, Colin. Hope everybody's doing good. Tobias, Senzo, Rupar, Raymond, Nick, Kai, George, JJ, Ed, Colin, Chris, Jake. Hope everybody's having a good one. And for everybody watching this recorded, I hope you're having a great day as well. I guess the camera's here.